Hey YouTube, Jordan here, and I am showing this Apple Macintosh PowerBook 190 from 1996. It's a pretty good laptop. I got it from my grandpa, which was sitting in his desk. And so, yeah, keyboard is in, bring the light over here so you can see. Take that off. Keyboard's in immaculate condition. Really good condition. Clicker, trackpad, your monitor adjusters. This side you got your PC card expansion on that side. It does have a battery, but the battery is so corroded. Floppy drive. Got the microphone built in, which is nice. And this thing weighs about 6 pounds. You got an infrared port, which will not do you any good. In here you got your mouse, printer. Oops. Bring this over to the light. Take this door off. Yes, and it gets the port door. But you got your mouse, printer, I think it's SCSI port, headphone jack, and some optional stuff which didn't come with this model. Battery did not hold charge, and it does got the original power jack with it. Original power jack for the PowerBook. Plug this in, I'll show you what things were in here. Okay. Takes a while for it to start up, but hey, it's good enough. Open the Macintosh. Brightness down a little bit. There you go. I got the TFT black and white screen. And if you guys know what year this thing was from, I'm believing it's from 1996, but if you guys know, leave a comment below. Yeah, the computer was not restarted correctly. And it gets the Atlas floppy disk maker, which don't even have any floppies for. So here's the desktop. Yeah, I got a shutdown option there. Network extensions, catalog. Here's what's in here. There's the Apple extras. Got the JLK 1.2 update, which I do not know. Oh, file extension. It's a PC card modem. Apple script. Yeah, the script editor. Sorry about the refresh lines. That's not my camera, it's the monitor. Well, the screen. And there's the script editor. Got the PowerBook 190 Tour. Got Power Talk. Got all the Power Talk options, and it gets the Apple Mail, the Sun utility, demonstration signer, Untitled info card. I'll show you Apple Mail. Your computer lacks the requirements for Apple Mail, which is not fun at all. Here's DigiSigner from 1994. It comes up. Oh, and YouTube gave me unlimited time, so I can record as long as I want. Yay! It comes up. Does not want to work. I will try Untitled info card. There you go, Untitled business. Miscellaneous. It's the demonstration signer. Yeah, I know it's not the finder. Alright, owner. Not a real person. Status was expired. It lasted from 1993 to 1998. So, you can tell the thing's not available anymore. I got the Quick Draw GX installer. I got the printer for this thing, too. It's QuickTime. I don't know what version of QuickTime this thing has. Play a video here. QuickTime logo movie. Okay, there's the QuickTime logo from QuickTime. Let's see what version of QuickTime this is. This is QuickTime version 2.1. Pretty old version of QuickTime, but hey, it's good enough. Quick tips, text to speech, gets word script. Got simple text on here, which is kind of amazing. From 1995. And I got Mac Draw 2 on here as well. There's Mac Draw. It's by Claris. Mac Draw 2. So, go away. Alright. I got some documents I don't want to show. System folder. ATM font database. Claris. Clipboard. Control panel. Control strip, data's extension, PowerBook 5300, 2300, 190, Power Talk, printer monitor, shutdown startup items. Yeah. The applications, I got the Adobe Acrobat Reader 2.0.1, which is kind of cool. Adobe Acrobat 2.0.1. So there's Adobe Acrobat. Got ClarisWorks 4.0. Got the HTML primer. Oh, there's some documents. Let's go into ClarisWorks. This is ClarisWorks 4. Yeah, but you can do word processing, drawing, painting, spreadsheet, database, and communication. Let's do painting. Yeah. No, I don't want to save. I got some Eric Solitaire on it, which Solitaire sample. So yeah. So yeah, Eric sample Solitaire. This Solitaire. Got FileMaker Pro on it. FileMaker Pro 2.1. And I don't want to open that. Let's name it YouTube. Alright. Before typing, click on Tab. Okay, I don't get it. Alright, so I got the MacLink Plus 8.0. Register for MacLink. Got the PowerBook File Assistant, which I never got to run before on this computer. I got remote access. This basic remote. Got Spin Doctor on here. The black and white version of it. Oh, good memories. Alright, yeah, I know I can open a document. And there's the highest scores. Let's go ahead and play. Yeah, I don't get this at all. I know, file is busy. Can't find my mouse. And I got Super Maze Wars on this computer as well. About from 1995, version 21. Let's go ahead and play. I'm ready. Fairy Battle. Oh yeah, kill a robot or something like that. Hate that noise. Ah, dead end. Alright, that's enough. Alright, let's get out of there. So that's the applications this thing has. Here's this basic stuff. 190 readme. Utilities. It's got a drive setup. Disk first aid, battery reproduction. Adobe Acrobat Bat Reader 2.0. It's the same version. Show you the screensaver my grandpa put on this years ago. Well, I really don't remember who put it on here. Yep. It's the Kansas Jayhawks. Oh no! Alright. And last but not least, let's show the PowerBook 190 Tour. The most affordable PowerBook computers. I don't know all these people at all. The mobile Macintosh PowerBook 190. Get a lot of computer for money. High quality display for installed software and easy to use trackpad. An expansion bay. And PC card slots. Whoa. You even get the future. Woo! They can be even upgraded. Alright. Show you the innovative design here. It's a new compact design, weighs about 6 pounds. It's a 10.4 inch color or 9.5 inch grayscale, which this computer is the 9.5 inch grayscale display in it. The improved trackpad gets the expression bay and the expansion bay in the PC card slot. It gets the expansion bay, it gets the PC card slot. I don't have a battery, it's running off no battery. It has a 9.5 inch passive matrix display. Shows 16 levels of gray, both 640 by 480. Trackpad gets a built-in microphone. Keyboards are full size. And an integrated locking system, which is always nice. It gets an optional infrared port, which this does have the infrared port in it. It can connect to 190 or 5300 computers. And it gets an optional video output port, which doesn't have. Too bad. It gets the sound output port. Gets the SCSI port and the serial port and the keyboard mouse port. There's the expansion bay. Can hook up as many different things as you want. PC card slots, mostly industry standard PC cards, can be shared with PCs running MS-DOS 6.2 or Windows 3.1. PowerBook 190, about the PC cards. PowerPC. This does not have a PowerPC in it. This has I think a Motorola in it. But if it did have a PowerPC, it would be 100 megahertz. It would be able to run MS-DOS 6.2 and Windows 3.1 via soft Windows applications. Don't get how that does it, but it runs things more faster. There's the memory. I think this thing got 4 megabytes configuration with upgraded is 36 megabytes, or it has 8 megabytes up to 40 megabytes of RAM in it. I don't know for sure. I guess the video out where it can connect it to big screen TV. I cannot upgrade the display. I wish I could, but I can't. There's infrared. The infrared upgrade, which is called Air Dock, and I never heard of it before. And there's the basic came with Claire's Works, Power Talk, there Apple Remote Access, Apple IR File Exchange, eWorld, Macintosh PC Exchange, the Easy Open, MacLink Plus, PowerBook Control Strip, security software, games, and the technical support. Here's the thing it has. It got this 66/33 megahertz 6BL processor, 9.5-inch backlit passive matrix, 14 megabyte to 36 megabyte or 8 megabyte to 40, 500 megabyte hard drive, about 6 pounds, and it gets a nickel metal hydride battery, up to 3 to 5 hours of battery life in it. So let's get out of here. Listen to that hard drive grind. Yeah, there's not enough memory to keep the window open. Because basically, this thing is, oh yeah, and it gets the 10K tape, 10-key tape, Apple CD player, which can have a CD player in this computer, but it doesn't have one. Got the calculator, jigsaw puzzle, keycaps, notepad, recent applications, scrapbook, stick ease. It's about this Macintosh for you. It's running software 7.5.2. Built-in memory gets about 8,192K. And total memory gets 12,288K. The system software is using most of it. So we'll go ahead and shut this thing down. So, this is Jordan saying goodbye. Thanks for watching. And please comment, rate, and subscribe. See you guys next time.